Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can find all the right specifications of this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Now install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info, from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your SONY's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!